Hi and welcome back to the Simple Web Start channel, and in this video what we're going to do is look at setting up the SEO meta tags. So log into your site building software, and then what you'll need to do is go to Settings, SEO and Meta Tags, and then that will bring this page up. And as you can see, page results in Google. So when Google or Bing finally find your website, they'll search for the meta title, which is this here. So this will be this just here, and the actual description of the website. So what you'll need to do, leave the URL name home, which is this here, leave that as it is, and then you want to add your meta title. Now they recommend between 50 to 60 characters. So you'll have, first of all, your website name, and then you might add a slogan that you've put on your website. And then also your meta description. Now, if you're looking at this video and it's your first time, then I would suggest that you go back to part 1 and then just work through to get to this stage here. If you're here and let's say you've missed out how to create a web page, then have a look at that video, because then it will tell you how to do your description and how to work out if you've got the set amount of characters by using the word search tool. So this is this description here. So all you would do is copy that and then paste it in there. So when you've done that, you'll then need to put your keywords in. So the first one will be a simple web start, and then what I would suggest you do is just search through your web page and add the keywords that are actually on there, and then over time you'll be able to change your keywords and basically see what Google or Bing are indexing your page for. So that's how to set up your SEO and meta tags. And when you've done all that, save changes, and then that will actually save it to your website. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.